Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I got a chance to test this Eufy Lumos smart light bulb version 2.0. This light bulb is made out of plastic, which means that it will not shatter like the regular light bulb when it is dropped. The one that I received has two temperatures, warm and cool. The brightness is about 800 lumens and it consumes about 8 watts of energy. The setup process was very simple. It took me around only 10 minutes to download the app, create an account, and connect the light bulb to my Wi-Fi, and it is compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant. You can use your voice to turn it on or off, change the brightness and the temperature. If you want to adjust the setting further, you have to use the Eufy app. The Eufy app is a beautiful looking app. You can turn the light bulb on or off by tapping on the light bulb icon in the app. Drag up and down to adjust the brightness and spin the temperature wheel to change the temperature. It has different light effects such as read, relax, focus, and night light, but you have to use the app to change the light effect. The connection to the Wi-Fi is very solid. Whatever changes I made using the app, such as changing the brightness, it will take effect in less than a second. You can set a schedule for it to turn on or off by itself. I set mine to turn on at 8 AM and turn off at 8:30 AM. But for some reason, it just keeps turning itself off after 2 minutes, then turn back on 2 minutes later. It was so annoying that I turned off the schedule, but it still turns on at 8 AM and turn off 2 minutes later. I have no idea why. I think there's a bug in the software that caused this to turn on or off randomly, or maybe because the one that I have is a defective unit. I solved this problem by completely delete the schedule in the app. Another thing that bugged me is that you cannot change the temperature of the light by percentage using your voice. You can say something like change the temperature to cool, or something like change the temperature to warm, but you cannot say change the temperature to 30%. It is either warm or cool, but not anything in between. If you want to set the temperature to be slightly warmer or slightly cooler, you have to use the app, which sometimes becomes a very inconvenience. Other than those two things, which can be fixed by firmware update, I have no other complaints. If you're looking for a smart light, I recommend you to check this one out. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.